Hello everyone! Finally I can do the review about the Freightliner from the Terminator 2 Judgment Day movie. Definitely one of my favorite movies of all time. Now let's start with the box. Like I said, Terminator 2 Judgment Day 1984 Freightliner FLA. It's from the brand Greenlight and it's from the Hollywood series. Contains one diecast vehicle and one acrylic case. It means it comes in a display case. That's pretty cool. 143 scale. Well, normally I don't collect 143, but for this one I make an exception. But by that saying, Greenlight, you got a ton of 164 trucks. Why not this one? But maybe they're planning a 164 version of this one. I hope so. Limited edition, that is what we like. Okay, this is the top of the box, T2. And here we got the back of the package and we see the Terminator machine, the nuked skyline and the Terminator drone. But I'm missing some movie scene picture. Now, maybe the owner of the movie said to Greenlight, well, I don't want that. But for example, here, and I do it like this, we got the Ford Towers from the RoboCop movie. And here on the back, we see some movie pictures. And that is so much cooler. And as a card collector, I like that a lot. I'm going to do a review about this one in the future, but I'm waiting for the one from RoboCop 2. Here we have another Hollywood Greenlight. This is from Beverly Hills 90210. Not a super big fan of the TV show, but I do like the Jeep Cherokee inside. Also here, a picture of the cast and some text, what 90210 is all about. Okay, let's take the truck out of the box. There we go, we can open it here. I'll do it like this. Oh, we got also a cool Skynet logo, neutral net-based artificial intelligence. Soon, my friends, soon. It is reality. Okay. I hope not. Oh, there is some sticker right here, some tape. I have to take that off. There we go. And I think... Oh. Be careful, now it's taped everywhere. Oh, complete disaster. Yep. But I think there are some screws here. Yep, 2 of them. So I have to get this loose. There we go. This away. Jesus. That is... Okay, that's one. Now I hope I can get this one loose and don't break anything. Oh man, that's not easy. Okay. Oh, that's a screw. I thought something broke off. Oh, man. This. Nope. Okay. Back in a sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. Brought my Leatherman. See if he can do the job. I think the other one was a little bit too small. Yep, that goes perfect. There we go. This one also comes off. This one right here. And then we can take the truck out. It was even cooler if there was a figure, but hey, maybe there comes a figure in the future, who knows. 143 Terminator figure from the police Terminator. So first impression, first of all, I really like this type of truck. Got the license plate. Got the interior of the truck, and it looks like it is, no, it's just a black interior. Or is it, no, brown? Looks like it is brown. Nice steering wheel, Road Ranger towing. Big exhaust pipes in the back. Horn, lights. I like the rims. Fuel tank here. Heavy duty towing and recovery. Can you do something with this? No, you cannot move it. It is what it is. You cannot pull it up, bring it down. Static. Again, a license plate here in the back. The rear lights look like it is a sticker. But overall, it's a really nice model. I also like the colors, the black with the blue, red line, dark blue, light blue line. Okay, here we got the base. This is all metal here. And of course, the model itself is also die-cast. Even this here is die-cast. And this here, this is plastic. Yep, this is definitely plastic. But this here, metal. All the accessories, the mirrors, the horn, and the lights on top, and this right here, this is all plastic. I believe, don't know, but maybe this is also plastic. We got lanced headlights. Well, it seems so. It can also be a piece of plastic. No, there is some glass in it. We have some text here. Freeze the image if you wanna read it. Studio Channel, all right reserved. Okay. And we got a number here, 2863. Not sure how many models are produced, but yeah, I have to say I'm really happy with this truck. I'm going to keep it in the display case in the box. For me, the box is also important because I'm a card and package collector too. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about this model in the comments. And yes, like I said before, I hope that the Greenlight is also coming with a 1/64 version. And when it comes, I'm definitely going to do a review about it. Awesome truck. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Happy hunting. Bye.